Understanding the AI skills gap.
The AI skills gap refers to the growing difference between the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence technologies and the number of professionals equipped with the knowledge to use them effectively. Companies are seeking employees with expertise in AI, but there aren't enough qualified candidates, making this a major concern across industries.
Why does the AI skills gap exist?
AI is progressing fast, but formal education and training programs often can't keep up. Many current workers lack exposure to AI concepts, and even recent graduates may miss out on the hands-on experience that employers want. This leads to a shortage of people with both theoretical understanding and practical skills in AI.
Key skills needed in AI careers.
Success in AI roles requires a mix of technical and soft skills. Technical abilities like programming in Python, understanding machine learning algorithms, and data analysis are crucial. Just as important are communication, problem solving, and ethical reasoning to responsibly design and implement AI solutions.
Bridging the gap. Educational pathways.
Bridging the AI skills gap starts with education. Online courses, boot camps, and university programs now offer training in machine learning, data science, and AI ethics. Upskilling through certifications, personal projects, and open-source contributions can help aspiring professionals develop sought-after expertise.
Taking action for career growth.
For individuals, staying proactive is key. Seek learning opportunities, join AI-focused communities, and work on real-world projects. For organizations, investing in upskilling programs and fostering a culture of continuous learning helps close the gap. Together, these steps increase access to rewarding jobs in the AI field.